Gather ye lads, I'll tell ye a tale of old Mother Barley and her cursed brown ale. She brews with a hex and she serves with a grin. Cheat her just once and you'll soon regret it, my friend. Oh, never you cheat old good wife McGray, or her ale will turn green and your hair fall away. She brews with a toad and she stirs with a knife. Pay up your coin or you'll gamble your life. Hey! Jack the cobbler tried swapping his coin, flipped a false silver piece, so the lad was so bold. She poured him a pint with a wink and a spin. Next morn he was croaking and covered in green. Oh, never you cheat old good wife McGray, or her ale will turn green and your hair fall away. She brews with a toad and she stirs with a knife. Pay up your coin or you'll gamble your life. Hey! Came next, tried to short her a fee. Now his beard's in the rafters and his nose is a pea. The blacksmith just snorted and called it all lies, till he woke with a tail and piglet-sized eyes.